Alright. That's y'all's baby. You guys can. I'm going to get you at least another squat up with you guys in just a minute. I need it to F. That's what I was told. It needs to go to F, close to their HQ. But I wasn't given any actual room location. We're getting to F.
Wrap that stuff around it, you think?
Oh, I was wondering.
Something along those lines.
Maybe we should move this out of line of fire.
Come on, guys. Pay attention. I'm getting ready to boss my ass out here.
Take it along.
Taking it to F. Hey, you a sniper?
I got something to cut that with.
Yeah, I know.
Well, you ain't got your knife?
It's metal.
Is it really?
On the inside. But I don't see what it is.
That is metal. Oh, whoa. Feed that thing.
Here, I got this too. This is fairly.
Tie it, I guess.
We can't move it, but we can lock it down.
Use one of your strings for your med.
Yeah, good.
Hands on top! Hands on top!
No, John.
Watch that door!
Keep it on there. Yeah, I tried that. To get us a squat.
Hey, is that ours?
How do you haul? How do you haul?
Huh? Where are we trying to get it to?
We have to get it to F on the other side of the building near their spawn.
Alright. Shoot. Man, I almost think it's easier to go down that way.
Yeah.
Where's our guys at?
They're up there on the corner.
Easy. What's Scott doing? Boy, oh my God, it's Boston.
Where y'all taking that?
Yeah.
We gotta take it to F. Yeah, okay.
Fun.
You mean like, which one?
On the other side of this one here. We got two squads with us.
Alright, good.
Where did they go?
We can give you a hand. Alright, let's see. Which one's our spawn? Building A. No.
So this is us right here.
Yep.
So we gotta take it to this big building right here. So we gotta get that in there, and there on the front side of it, they're in that doorway. Where's it gotta go in the building?
Don't know.
All right. Well.
Come on, guys.
All right, so behind the building in F. He says behind the building.
We got to get that. So what they've got, just so you know, he's got guys on the roof.
Yeah, I don't know.
I wouldn't put more air in it.
I'm gonna get a snag them.
Our guys?
Yeah.
All right.
It should be right there. A medic. If it's a medic bag. Welcome back to the fight.
Okay.
Shoot.
Okay. Well, I put the other barrel in it with
Uh,
my electric AG.
yeah.
And so I looked at it and I said, well, I got right under 2. And I plugged it up and it said like 40 PSI. So I've got more air and hopefully it'll stay.
Yeah.
It works out.
Man, I almost wonder if we can take it around the side here.
That way?
Yeah.
Drop off. All right, guys, watch your area. This is going to be their helo drop. They're going to drop people off, so watch what you got. You already got. No, we can't. We got to keep an eye on this thing. Where do we go? Go around. We got front. We got front. We got front. That's our new prize.
What'd you say?
You got medic? Medic?
Yeah.
Need a medic? Where?
Medic! Bring him to him. Bring him to me. Bring him to me. Let's take a nice shot to the fucking dome piece. Hey, watch the medic!
They do have a good angle right here.
He's got a great angle.
In the window. You're a much bigger target. Looks like the leg off the ground, the bottom left.
No, he's in the window.
Hey, Scott.
Hold on a second.
Never mind, he's good.
I'm not keep tying this. This makes it complicated.
Going. One shot.
That takes one shot. It tastes horrible. It's like eating chalk.
Alright, why do we got You guys got a sprayer that's shooting down this direction with you guys. Now, is it that?
Watch that window right there. He's shooting across.
You're in there?
No, they're not in here. They're across. Hey, what to do?
I did right there. It's got the medic bag now. When I thought I was coming with you guys, I did see.
Okay, good. Oh, sorry.
Look at Link. You see how those doors are.
Can we go into this? Yeah, we can.
Let him do it. And now just choke down their whole room into being a very, very small hole.
Hey, Joe.
Yeah.
I do got 2 smokes.
My pants are already big enough.
Have y'all. Split around, go around this back side.
Let's go, guys.
Or not.
Cole, come on.
barrel.
Well, we need to get, he's our guy. What's the plan, sir? Let's do that.
Hola.
Good, everybody. What you need?
Pick it up somehow.
Nothing.
Oh, there we go.
Much better?
Much better. My pants aren't falling down now. I can handle it on my back. So